Hello, Angela. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. How are you? Hey, thought I'd send over the screencast as promised, and really enjoyed looking into this in Colorado Springs for you. I like your business here, Brighter Day Law, and looks like you are an all-woman business. Love that. So let's get started. I wanted to share with you, first of all, the main thrust of everything here is the top three things that you can do in order to improve your ranking, especially in the Google search on the organic. So the first thing is content. So go back to the home page here, and I like how the website is laid out. It flows very well. The thing is, on the content, Google likes to see 1,500 words or more on your homepage or this face page here. I did a word count. You have about 500 words, just over 500. So that's the very first thing, the most relevant thing would be to add keyword relevant content to the first page, about a little over 1,000 words. So, and then that would include the keywords in that content for this first page. So that's the very first thing. If we look at your competition, so I did a search both for, go to the Google, both family law, Colorado Springs, and those results, and then also divorce attorney, Colorado Springs. Both of those had very, very similar results. So just to take a look here, this is interesting how this has family lawyers right at the top that are Google screened. That's like a professional area that that Google does in certain professions. And then you can see the top ads here: Canard law, some personal injury, modern family law. Sorry, let me go back here one screen and get to the first page. I'm sorry, I was on the second page. So you have the top three map pack right here. And you can see that Morrison family law and Graham law, they're in there along with family lawyers, but this is called the top three map pack. We'll talk about that more in a little bit. But in the organic search, I took the top three. So we've got Graham law, Morrison law. These are all guides. I took the top three competitors and averaged them over these two different searches. So always in the top search is Morrison law. So the first thing I did was I did a word count. They have just short of 1,500 words on this homepage, and they're in the number one position basically for both searches. The second one is Cordell. They're a national company, as you're probably aware. However, the ranking and what we can do locally here in Colorado Springs is pretty good news. But they have about 1,200 words, and they're in the second position. So you can see here how their website is laid out. And then pretty much third position, I actually brought up a little bit more for you guys. Normally I just do three, but this is a competitive market, and I wanted you to just briefly see where your competition is at. And you can see this is kind of a funky website. Not as much content, about 900 words, 800 to 900 words on this one, number three position. And then Graham Law showed up definitely for a few different things. They kind of do the same thing you guys do. They specialize in divorce and family law. And this is what theirs looks like. I like your representation of your team. It's laid out better than them. But again, much more content here. I didn't do a word count on this one, but I can tell you it looks like it's about maybe 700 or 800 words. And then the last one here was Perkins Law, Colorado. And if we look at their content, you can see most of their front page's content, but there's not a lot of it. There's about 500 or 600 words. So that's your top competition. So really that, and then moving on to past content would be the backlinks. So I have a little tool called Ahrefs that I can put any website into, and it really breaks down what's going on with the website. And in particular, it shows you these two ratings, the UR and the DR. So UR is basically the popularity, that you have. It's a popularity contest, so 0 to 100. And then the DR is the power of your website. So I see some good popularity for Brighter Day Law, but the website's not representing real strong. You've got 1,000 backlinks from 39 referring domains, which is qualifying you for these 89 organic keywords. You can take a look at this, but really let's keep it simple. The biggest thing is in particular that I see you've lost 36 keywords in the last 30 days, backlinks, and 12 keywords. So if we compare that to the competition here is Morrison Law. They have 35 UR, 23 DR, with a little less than 1,000 backlinks and 1,000 keywords. Okay, so, and these guys are #1 position. Make sense? #2 position, we're looking at here, Cordell. They're a national company, but if I pare down how they're represented in Colorado Springs market, just their UR is 20, kind of low, but their DR is very strong, and that's because it's coming from this national site, but only 71 backlinks with 170 organic keywords. So this is just kind of a comparison to where your competition sits as compared to yourself. So look at here, high popularity, kind of a medium rating on their domain for Graham Law. 2,000 backlinks, 5,000 organic keywords, but this many backlinks only coming from 248 referring domains. So all backlinks are not created equal. A quality backlink would be something like a blog post, an article, industry-related information. And then the third thing is citations. So a citation is your name, address, phone number, or NAP. And how many times across the internet those three key pieces of information show up anywhere? Usually it would be in the form of professional directories, business listings, that kind of thing. So a citation technically is a backlink, but it's a different type. But high quality backlinks is the key here. So if we look at just one more for Perkins Law, high popularity, domain rating kind of low at 10, but similar, 1,000 keywords, 1,000 backlinks, 1,000 keywords, only 84 referring domains. And then I think I stuck the last one in here. Springs Law Group, interesting, 22,000 backlinks. Okay, so they basically have 100 coming from each one of the referring domains. So, but they're down the list. So the opportunity is here between 2 and 3. In particular, you can get into this position with Marson and also Cordell in the local market. Got to add the backlinks, do the citations, and increase content by about 1,000 words with your keywords in there on the home page for you. So I hope that is helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. But I really enjoyed researching this niche here, and think you could do very well. Thanks.